Bank of Ghana messes up. When you complain, their refrain is that we are independent. So all of these institutions, Bank of Ghana, Electoral Commission, NCC, and so on, are subject to the will of the Ghanaian people, and their independence does not matter. There are some things that I can never understand. We elect a government. The leader of that government then decides to appoint somebody to go to the Bank of Ghana to serve the interests of the people of Ghana. And all of a sudden, we are told that those who were elected and mandated by the people of Ghana cannot tell the governor what to do. What nonsense is that?
Abuja for mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana nsem TV so. But what is over like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications next time. Videos of this nature ba also sabit makabi. I'm Wadaroma. But me subscribe to the channel dey my ba. Very very important. And I say abusia nti yem wane abusia sem ne yentrim ko abusia tenten de. Is priority ba ko a ebu ukabu embu. Ti yan widen ye family you know. The more I need expanding because MPP when you call a project for 2028 because our target is that we would have to communicate for the party to come back to power. What does it? Ni na your do 2% boy in the ABM or that my number that's here. O pick number now Richard here. Be about them Mr. President be am sabeka madam was many best of answer. Na busia politics. Yeah, now your politics are careful. Your politics are now very, very careful. Now, and some of course, and some of course, papa, and some course, my make I say MPP ever power. Yinya NDC gurus mom go say Bank of Ghana aboka. Na s3nse Bank of Ghana aboka nti. Ghana for engine to no muntu abamfo nti ana na ado dan kwagufo ado aban. S3nse Bank of Ghana aboka nti. Ghana for engine to no mpamo Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia. Ai, o mai we 2024 ye twam ya na nkomo we make ba so. 2024 ye twam ya. Because of Bank of Ghana aboka. Na busiara wo sema ewo mu ne se me ne okasa sia yi. Say a car Bank of Ghana abo in a space of 1 year and 5 months. We am beso. Nti eno no ma me busa mo se na sa sika na ye bodi sika chenchine na say aboka nya. Bank of Ghana is kind of fine and the governor is failing to explain to us. Atoforcing is failing to explain to us. And nobody will mind this cano. Let me see you. Hey, Yamagana. Sikane ya de bo mind ho bra no so a. Na Awurade nkopon. Jai, chese. Isia, we Ghana ni na ya na so nya Ghana ni kwampu na ye. Na ye Kwesi Pratt wa meeting ni meter. Kwesi Pratt wa meet NDC Kwesi Pratt meeting ni meter abusia. 2023, 2022, 2024, Kwesi Pratt held series of press conferences. Catching as a Bank of Ghana, Boka, as of the ignorance and the incompetence of the new patriotic parties like Bank of Ghana, Boka. Now, and then now buying Barcelona, now buying Aboka, they are catching and say we shouldn't politicize the losses that Bank of Ghana, Enya, the kind of Bank of Ghana, Enya, the mayor and final politics. And as you can see, Pratt, cut the budget, cut the nebo, MPP losses by, you know, and the Moka say MPP, I mean, you can't even add it in a losses about. NDC, dear, lost by there, we shouldn't politicize it. And I Ghana for say, hey, Banko. Don't go there because your evidence of now work is over. Abuja, we're meeting the meter. Names on no. Now say, fear never the other friend, never in the woods been the Mommy and Connie Uncle, because he planted any move as here. Mo be o nyine dui baby o nya dui se ba bo bread de kafa no korekura nante ko nyini oh obusia mo enkomra.
Bank of Ghana messes up. When you complain, their refrain is that we are independent. So all of these institutions, Bank of Ghana, Electoral Commission, NCC, and so on, are subject to the will of the Ghanaian people, and their independence does not matter. There are some things that I can never understand. We elect a government. The leader of that government then decides to appoint somebody to go to the Bank of Ghana to serve the interests of the people of Ghana. And all of a sudden, we are told that those who were elected and mandated by the people of Ghana cannot tell the governor what to do. What nonsense is that? Bank of Ghana is supposed to be independent of government. You are right. Exactly.
Suppose, but is it?
The Bank of Ghana, according to our laws, regulations, and so on, does not take instructions from government. When it comes to its operations, it is independent or supposed to be independent. And in your politicians, say, Breso, Ekoye, Muma Breso, Ankoye, Yaya Breso, Ankoye, Muma Breso, Ekoye, near them. Politicians, one more catch is a s3nse or Homun this one. One catch.
That's obvious.
And the Agyeta to s3nse, ya said that ye send your bear, s3m Bekoye. Politicians in this one, you are just to Musana. And the engine to Musas woman. The economy has a million. Parties meaning now. And she said, yes, say, and fan free seekers and Bank of Ghana and fan regulatory seekers and the other woman. This would be. And I am sorry, me and Kwesi. I said, Bank of Ghana is supposed to be independent of government. The woman country.
Right.
Exactly.
Suppose, but is it?
The Bank of Ghana, according to our laws, regulations, and so on, does not take instructions from government. When it comes to its operations, it is independent or supposed to be independent. And in your politicians, say, Yaya Breso, Ekoye, Muma Breso, Ankoye, Yaya Breso, Ankoye, Muma Breso, Ekoye, near them. Politicians, one more catch is a s3nse or Homun this one. One catch.
That's obvious.
And the Agyeta to s3nse, ya said that ye send your bear, s3m Bekoye. Politicians in this one, ya Agyeta to Musana. And the engine to Musas woman. And the economy has a million. Parties meaning now. And she said, yes, say, and fan free seekers and Bank of Ghana and fan regulatory seekers and the other woman. This would be. And I am sorry, me and Kwesi. I said,
when you say a press conference or think a Bank of Ghana, but majority of parliament there, and a minority super to do.
I can't know as my maker. If I'm who say, if I'm who baying, because the Bank of Ghana is supposed to be independent.
But is it?
Say, yeah, say, independent, yeah. And the one fashion bomb when you for quiet. And only hear me decline. I did decline pay Yamino. We are better say tree casa. And I say a casa. Now some say a mood, a mupi. I can't keep a boy. Kwame, when you when I'm saying, when it is a media, and so I had a team, and now come and go on and yeah, okay, in our sun class. Oh, saying I mean it. Okay. What when is it? And was sure when you free, not yet doing Sika.
Yeah.
Now, Sikana Menyan, the DB quack or talk spectacles, much as any of them which me can't deal with. I don't know a couple.
There is only one.
Ain't it? Sagana, my year is Sika. Yakope Sika, I call you my dear Koyesika. Near say, I dear way, anyway, near dear a person in this Sikano yo. Not say this Sikano call you are. And then a yaka.
A funnel. Inflation. So we hear Juma say about Ghana, inflation who buy with Ghana. So ne buy cost rupee. And now some more year Juma beer about Ghana economy. No more yes, man, and a can be bemoa. central bank PA where we are seeing here, almost this age, to be on Boka. So, Bakai, English, Britain. That Yakofa Ghana and the Mobile Finance Minister. So, okay, am I in ya, Yenijin Hopa? Now, so in the seas at time. Ah, what day she should be by ya pound sterling, no. A crash here. So okay. Yeah. Bank of Ghana bought s3m said to save the British pound. And the bank central banks we are seeing here, what is say Juman? To be on Moboka. And think a Bank of Ghana and so Aboka and Kenya she. But who name? Kwame. No. Okay, Governor Addison.
Oh, very well.
What is also named Brenda Kebi by? Now, Dr. Addison in the bank, no more train said, s3m COVID did no news Ukraine in Tokwa, Russia and Tokwa. Now, economy no echo and here. It's a Bank of Ghana, a bemo to save the economy, Satan. A fan of fuel, a fan of oil, no electricity. Na niema pi bia na ekochima tinese omo bemu omo boka 60 billion s3m. So kind of you no NDC for kind. Ibi kwase governor na yan chiro. As me say me be kind. And some to force in the pump for kind ya who be true. It's just 2-3 years ago. So 80 it was happening. Nana. And on Timo Bank of every central bank, or Mejumo Moyen, to be a cabin. So, Neka bear mumre bia a trade. So wouldn't some of my kind. Inti and nano, Musimo Quaco Boca. Somebody Musimo Bianca. Oh, Bianca. Problem, no, what said, oh, no, what drink the phone. Tea. Why I could two microphone for. No, it's 70p and I'm on what true. Then ye age now, almost some of Kikayo.
Miss Susse Nipakobi war on my yimwa. I was set almost back to Facebook, X, and Instagram. Baby, yes, I posted piano. Say the Ghanaians an apology or some of Ghana for tell.
Dear post.
Oh man, me did say no won't say a year Ghana. A year if you must same beer, ye diaba, and no a year Boeing 377, that is the name a woman. Na ye can't Ghana. A dear and for post ye. Nini nano omo the credits Emma or Mampani John Dramani Mama Yankasa bro Ghana so. Omo the credits Emma a year abayi ese osia or yo and Ampampa Kayana or the new airline number. Just some give me say crumpa ba juma.
Oh, so that the okay
yes,
the reason why yeah, but entirely cultural that man called his excellence.
No. Oh. Yera Abeku Santana, just a man name them. Okay. They are communicators.
But what's wrong?
A man, dear TNA, Ghana, war Ghana has said since 1993. Now a logistics company. It is somewhere 2014. I won a certification in Kata in a way, you know. And now one more to me a baby. And air operations, and I saw air operator certificate, no. They just want to be. I know, Grandpa, no, I'm on commercial. Enye nipa te se boy na ba bedruga na asese ayekase no eye for edwadie eye cargo ye de fa niema nti enye de nipa kwa akotre menye commercial say me tu kwa US na me kwa anu nti me kwa akofa say nka yedim say Ghana Airways wo hodom no bibisa na ya revive no enye no kre. It is a private company. I walk Ghana has here on my yom juma. Now we know ye additional one day back at I told be a man wo pretty to say multimedia. Not to say and I say Jifanko, no say my be branch and I say my kofa and Fidiani be a becca who made bedi me juma. That is Air Ghana for you. It will be enra we post sadia de to photo go Ghana for the man yes say a airline for fra ban yi dia ba and answer makwa kwato commercial player ba be adwuma no o man maye nyesa maye nyesa it is not right yawa yenim sa ban yi kra campo pen say o wo san susue no a ye nyina ye hwe no san kwankosi next day bia na ehun kita odi kra po de bia